$10.
Oh, thank you. Hello, darlings. She's telling me she bought some new mats for our table.
Jesse,
I like these.
Jesse,
With the white. Just read.
there's strawberries and grapes. And
Strawberries, grapes, tunas, cactus tunas. Hold on, Daddy. Hold on. Ah! What was that? Don't pass by here because I got the record. Please. Oye, Julia, ¿dónde quedó el dressing?
I thought you always wear your wigs when you do your work.
Not always, darling. My darling, my darling, my darling. So we got a little bit of salad, the one that has from Walmart. This is called Asian, Upocana style. And then 2 burritos for me and 1 for Jua. The frozen ones, I love those. Just like I love the frozen pizza. Mija, ¿dónde quedó el dressing?
I put it in there.
Oh, you sprinkled it on there already?
Yeah.
Guys, forgive me. I got a runny nose since yesterday or the day before. Where did you get them, at the Dollar Tree?
What? Yeah.
The mats?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We needed new mats.
I don't know which ones to go, so I just
Right,
got
let's go like this.
those. They're like the ones we already cut.
Yeah, the wine before it's time. Ya se los enseñé. Se los acabo de enseñar acá los compadres.
Okay.
But I told her I wanted water today because we were out all day. Okay? And I told her, give me water.
Tomatoes. Salad.
Thank you. So I guess we'll start off with the salad. Salad, what's your name? Salad. What's the burrito salad? And let's begin with the salad. I just put it on right now. My, what do you say? Oh, it was good, huh?
The jalapenos.
A huevo, pues es un pico de gallo. Pico de gallo, cebolla, tomate, chile. You know why it's called? Why it's a Mexican salsa? A well-known salsa? Because it's red, white, and green, like the Mexican flag. What's up?
Red, white, and green.
Red, isn't that what I said? Red, white, and green?
Oh, I don't know. I heard you say blue.
I said blue. This is glue for your eyelashes, liquid eyeliner glue in black, waterproof. Waterproof. I just did it right now because it just came in right now. Also, this just came in right now in my package in my mail. Guys, come here. Come on. I think I know what it is. I think Julia said that it's the purse, right? So, guys, I had been wanting this purse for a very long time, but I never had money. And it already came because she saw that it said it was going to get delivered today. But she told me the other day. Guys, I'm sorry. This shirt was at Walmart for $2, and the shorts, I think it's only there were 2 or 3. I don't remember, but I got all colors. These are 3X, and that's all they had left. I don't care. Girls. Se me ven bonitos porque, ay puto, porque están 3X. I'm supposed to be an XL, but badass burger, I'm always eating. So anyway, she was telling me, Mom, I can't believe you bought that person. I was like, because I send her everything. She tells me, just share it with me and I'll order it. And that's what she said. I can't believe you bought a $40 person. I said, $40? What the fuck? I got really scared. And I told her to cancel and she had already ordered it. So it's like, I don't know. Mira que chula. My friend Erica Bird Martinez. Shout out to her and the Martinez family. She would always say, mira que chulada. This is really a chulada. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller. Guys, I can't see. No, really not. Ahí está. Mira nomás que chula. I have been wanting this because it's a little black leather vest. What you? Que rollo pollo? Que rollo pollo? And it spins, and not really. Que está bien cute, ¿verdad? So she told me, Mom, it's too late. It already like charged it or whatever. It already is gonna come. And I'm like, damn. And then I said, oh well, I never have nothing expensive, guys. You know, never. And I was not used to nothing expensive since I was little. I was gonna be smaller though, cause I had told Julia, you know what, girl? You know what, girl? I just wanted from my thieves when we go to the doctor. Put my ID and my medical card and maybe some cash or my debit card. Mira nomás que chula. Ay, no. I love it. Qué hermosa, mira, mija. Ay, bien preciosa. Like me. We both preciosa. Where the hell did I put it? Dude, look at my little purse. It's a little black leather vest because I'm a biker and a chola and everything mixed together. How you doing?
Have you ever played an instrument? Yeah.
Did you? What did you play? I don't even remember.
I played guitar, piano, and
We went to the instrument store, guys, because Jesse's starting in the 8th grade. No, sorry. In the 6th grade, sorry. Middle school, and he is he wanted to play the trombone. You know that one? So we went and got him his trombone. It's gonna be $30 a month. Right now she paid 60 something, so I'm gonna give her half. I don't have the money right now, but as soon as I do. ¿No habló fulano de tal?
No.
Okay. And then guess what, guys? Did you take a picture of Mimi, Jesse? Jua?
No.
Jesse, show me a picture of Mimi, please, so I can show it to them. Ben, please. Be nice. Be nice. Jesus Christ, I'm going to turn on this light. I remember when I lost my mind. Yeah. Just give me the phone real quick. Don't get in there.
If you have her on video, just pause it where she'll come up.
I don't think it's that visible. But you can
It's
see
not that
me
visible. Him with our dog baby. Our
Yeah, she
old
got
dog
really
baby, our
small.
old black chihuahua. She got really small because she's already in her 50s like grandma. And you guys.
All I did was stick
Again.
my head. All I did was stick on my
So everybody's always told me that Jesse, I call him Jesse now. That he looks like me. I don't know. To me, he's a very good looking kid. But I don't think he looks like me. I mean, I don't see it. And then, guys, remember about those big ass beautiful earrings? Ay, but in the night they bother me so much. And I can't. Like, when I'm así cuesta. Ay, mira, todavía me está doliendo con ego like this. And today I was gonna wear my little normal ones, but no, I better not. I anda la chua, watch it. Esa es la chua. The chua, the chua. ¿Ah?
¿Mi lazo verde?
Fíjate que ahorita lo vi. ¿Te lo trajiste o qué? ¿O lo traías en el carro?
Yeah, but I lost it.
Pregúntale al niño por si no lo agarró. Did you get Julia's green glass, Daddy? Okay, this is the one from Walmart. This one's called Asian. It's very yummy. I like this salad. No mames, está riquísima. And then Julia's like, I don't know what these are, but I like them. They're the little wontons. Oh, that's very garlicky. And I don't like garlic too much, but it's good. Hi guys, Gina. Shout out to you, my Gina. This video is dedicated to you, my Gina. Ay, mi China tan chula. Gina reminded me that I never even finished telling you about the story about the tamales from Juarez. Wow. Juarez, Chihuahua, Mexico is our sister city. Right now, maybe I'm 30 minutes from it, but in our other apartment, we were like 20 minutes from the bridge. Okay? We pay $3.50, I believe, and then $2.50 to come back.
Oh.
Something like that. ¿Y ese vaso?
It fell.
¿Y ese vaso son?
That's the one from the one that you bought, Jesse.
Órale.
The one that had the snack thing on the top?
Yeah. I didn't like them after all. They're nice because they have a little thing that you take off from the top. Our cups that wipe out for me and Jesse. You take it off and it becomes a little snack bowl. But then you only get this much water. Bueno, la cuchara. Este está pero bien chingón. I cannot give you enough. ¿Mande?
Y te trae la espuma de los frijoles, right?
Sí, los enjuagates.
Yeah.
You know, we should have left them on low all this time. Well, we went to...
No, because what if they would have
True. True. It's good. Little Carol. Shout out to Little Carol, Big Ass Carol. Big Ass Carol. Ay, me mordí. Was my husband's cousin. Living in the same project as I did, and I didn't even know she was related to him, and he didn't either. Okay, well. She told me that that's the way she makes beans. I do once in a while when we cook them ourselves, you know. So after you wash them and clean them out, make sure there's no rocks and rinse the fuck out of them a lot of times. And then you can put them in a big bowl or whatever and put water above them and let them soak on it. Sorry. And they hinchar, they swell up in the night. So, you know, that way the next day when you cook them, they're done like an hour and a half, I believe, instead of 2-3 hours, you know what I mean? So I wanted to make them in the crock pot, but my crock pot is 6 quarts, not 8. And the last time Julia tried to make me some beans in there, it was overflowing. So we had to make some on the stove top. ¿Te acuerdas, hija? So 4 pounds don't fit in there. But I do have a big olla like this that I bought at Walmart, ¿verdad? The big one? Ya las bonitas.
Yeah.
Le echaste cebollas, cilantro. Digo, cebolla y ajo. Más a rato le echamos el bacon. Se puso a hacer bacon. I bought 2 bacon packs.
Hello.
But get it away. I wanted the cheapest kind so they could release all the grease because I saved the grease for my beans, right? And she only showed me it was just a chorrito of grease. And the rest of the bacon, when it's like halfway cooked, maybe she'll throw them in there. For a better flavor, right? No, you gotta put it in there as onion and garlic, and if you want to, throw in a couple of bay leaves. We still have bay leaves. Pendeja. She was gonna put her water in the other cup, and I guess it almost overfilled. She went like that to get the popo.
Because I was gonna. Yeah.
Sorry, it was funny, dude. It really was. Your face como un burro. Who said that, guys? Your face como un burro. You have a face como un burro. One of the Minion movies. Which one? The first one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey. So we went to get our little.
Want to taste?
Well, the girls went and got the. What is that? Quesadilla?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
The top though.
Quesadilla. Oh, it's because it's her tortillas that she likes to buy.
I told
Está
you it was hot.
caliente, güey. ¿Quieres un burrito? Acá está tu burrito, eh. Guys, you have a face como un burro. You guys remember that movie from Minions? If you watch it with your kids or your grandkids or for yourself. I'm not. Look, in the morning, I'm going to do it because we're going to go through a lot of stuff. Just scramble me 2-3 eggs in the pan like that and just make me a burrito. And she made me 2. But just a little bit weird. So she went and fried it. I didn't even remember buying. They were in the freezer for a long time. She said some patties like this of ham that are thick as fuck. And so she fried it up and put like strips in my burro so it tasted better. Strips in my burro so it tasted better. Woohoo! Speaking of strips of my burro, guess what, guys? Look. My nail fell down. My vanilla one. So we're in the car all day, right? Went to pick up Jessie. We have the little doggy style with us. And we had to put my dogs in my room with the little gate so they wouldn't attack BBs. I used to call them Mimich, Bibich. En cuanto me veo.
He thought
Que la chingada.
he thought you said peepees.
¿Me das otro tenedor?
Yeah.
Gracias, mija. Echarse en el zinc. También ese, ándale. Platito, we had a little white bowl for babies to drink water. Julia likes these so much. Jalapeno, kettle cook. And then she bought what's that other one? Gracias. What's that other one? Ruffles, kettle cook. Baked cheddar. Oh, that one sounds good. Ahorita lo abres. Así me retraté un chingo con la video.
We bought it before, just like similar.
Just like that, yeah. Guys, yeah, we were just talking about this to the doctor the other day. How sometimes I get it, like for, sorry, like 3-4 times maybe, 3 times maybe. Months back, I was trying to get, thank you. A cup. Okay, I'm gonna go.
But not so much. I think it's
No,
when
'cause
your
mama-
body was like barely getting used to the neuropathy.
The neuropathy that's coming up. Devious maids.
Yeah.
Devious as in
Like your devious, like,
kind of devilish.
not
maybe?
not
Not the
like
word
devilish,
devilish?
like bad devilish, like ay es bien diabólica, bien tremenda. Like sneaky, I guess.
That's devious.
Yeah.
I've always heard the word, but
It's
I thought
the
it meant.
first time.
Well, it's the family of Diablo, right?
It's the first time I'm gonna watch it. That's because Samantha likes to watch Desperate Housewives, so I try not to watch it without her.
What the fuck? Look at that. Oh, yeah, from far she looked like Chucky. I don't know, the lady in the window looked. She looked robotic. Did you see her turn? She went like this. Are you robotic? Look this up. Yeah, yesterday's burgers. My fries are still there. And you went at it, right? Yeah, because it was full to the top. Ya no estoy comiendo tanto. Bendito Dios. Bendito Dios. If I could just eat a salad every day, huh? Along with whatever. It would help a lot. Toma. Is that lady a bad character in that show?
I don't know. It's the first time.
I mean, devilish face.
Her?
No, the one that I told you was robotic. Just quesadilla, but it was her kind of tortillas that she likes. What was this, by the way? A McDonald's?
They came from McDonald's. Yeah.
Oh, what was a hamburger? Oh, I think they're giving to you from McDonald's and the Happy
The
Meal.
collector's item or something.
Collector's item. Snoopy.
Snoopy and
Hello Kitty.
I think there's. I taste.
What's that taste? Is that the tortilla?
I don't know.
Do you taste it?
I taste it and it tasted funny.
I don't want it. No want it.
I don't know.
It's got a weird taste. It's a tortilla. It must be the tortilla.
Or the cheese.
The cheese. We always buy that cheese. Isn't it mozzarella? Did I get the wrong cheese maybe? Did I get the... ¿Cómo se llama el otro queso blanco?
I think it's the mozzarella.
No, there's a mozzarella and then there's another white one.
No, yeah, but I think the bag is I don't know, like white cheddar.
Oh. Monterey Jack. I think. It tastes a little bit more... sharp. More American.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Mozzarella I like. Mozzarella tastes like queso asadero, pretty much. I do. The hell you be watching, girl?
I don't know. It's the first time I watched this, girl.
Where's the lady dead in the swimming pool like this? Oh,
What's that?
you can see blood all around her. Gross. China, China, China. So, a lot of things in Juarez are cheaper, way cheaper. Okay? Also, depending on how much you're taking the dollar for, which in all the years that I was going and coming with Nico's daddy and their family, I never learned how to calculate Mexican money into American money. I'll just go to stores and went to the grocery store. It's called S-Mart. S-Mart with the letter S. It's kind of like a Walmart, I guess. But ain't nothing like sweet bread from Mexico. Okay, well. Over there, every couple of blocks or so, there's always a tortilleria or a little store. It's called abarrotes. Like a baby 7-Eleven, I guess you could say.
You want me to put that?
Depending on how big they are or how much they're making,
Can I put that?
they could have people. Yeah. Oh, Con Air, guys, with Nicolas Cage. Cyrus the damn virus.
Eat that.
Oh, my boyfriend, Danny Trejo.
You don't like it, huh?
23 marranitas. And be Johnny 300 if they knew the truth. Something like that. So, every time we went to Juarez, guys, my husband had to, a huevo, get along with my new in-laws. In the end, we would go every Saturday on the Saturdays. My husband would have a blast. They loved him to death. Because the baby daddy was a drug addict. And here. Nobody liked him because of that shit that he done growing up.
Like, not hard.
But as soon as I met my husband, oh my God, and they even told me, tell him he's welcome anytime. We were separate at the time, me and my husband. What happened, stupid?
Se te antojó.
Se te cae.
Se te antojó.
Pásame mis burritos, mamá. Pónmelos aquí, mira. Every time that we went every week, all the men that were cousins of my baby daddy and my dad and my father-in-law and my brother-in-law, they loved my husband to death, and they would all start playing cards outside, but with money, and they loved him. It was like if he was the brother instead of the brother, right? So how do I get through one night without you? I love these burritos, guys. Before, years ago, when Julia was not even born, we got this. She's 22 now, right? When she was on my tummy, I used to work as a telemarketer. And it was just a block down from my house. It was called Bride Lane back then. Válgame, ¿qué estás tomando, agua? Guys, you don't know how yummy this water is because it's from her tank. And when I don't like bottled water, but when it's cold like this, oh, it's deliciosa. How do I know when I'm so oh. Julia's eating a bowl of noodles. Was that the same one? That's what's the name of that one?
And spicy chicken flavor.
Spicy chicken flavor. Guys, I'm gonna put you on pause. I really gotta pee really bad. Hold on. Yay, we're back. Back in black. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. You guys like rock? Dudes, I went through every freaking stage. I love all kinds of... Like right now, when we went into the... to rent him his trombone, they had some beautiful music. And I said, is that Glenn Miller? Then he was looking it up on his Pandora, and he's like, this Frank Sinatra, but I think it's a Glenn Miller band. And I said, yeah, it is. I know, I love all kinds of music. Me van la Caracas. Caracas. I'm not gonna eat those fries because they're yesterday's. Not that, no me da asco ni nada. Ya me estoy llenando con un pinche burro y ensalada. Because I tell you, we were out and about, and Julia bought us a dozen of Dunkin' Donuts. We all get 3. I got chocolate. Préndele la lamparita de arriba, man. La lucecita, no sé. Just cooking the beans. Yeah. So after they were, hinchados, and then she rinsed them. Oh, the stupid tamales. Let me tell you about the stupid tamales. The tamales over there. Every time you're outside, everybody over there in Juárez, they like to kick it outside on the sidewalk and just sit out there, listen to music, whatever. Sitting with all the neighbors and talking. It's really, really friendly over there. Not like here. Here you have to be careful, especially like if you're in So I've always heard, be careful with this projects, whatever. I ended up living in Paris. And you do have to be careful. Like, don't tell your life to nobody, because before you know it, everybody knows it. Well, you could be like me that could say, I don't give a fuck, Keisha, you know? Everybody knows, whatever. I ain't lying, you know what I mean? So anyways, every couple of blocks or so, somebody's trying to make a little bit of money, get ahead. Where there's kids that'll be coming around with a tray trying to sell empanadas, or kids with tortillas trying to sell their mom's tortillas. Anything. There's people that go around selling corn, which I always like, with the palo. I don't really like the cup corn. I don't know why. I prefer. So this dude passes and he would say, tamales, tamales, son de rojo, son de verde. El de verde me la muerde. Nah, you wouldn't say that. You just say,
De dulce.
un tamale rojo, tamale verde.
Y de dulce.
I had money and y de dulce, perdón. Y de dulce. And I told my mother, no, I love this lady to death, but she passed away. But I loved her to death.
You said it's so funny.
You hear the little person coming around. I guess they had a little bell or whatever, but they were saying, tamale, tamale. And I told my mother, but I used to call her mama. I told her, ándale, mamá, unos tamalitos. And she went, no, hija. And I said, sí, ahí tengo money. No, hija. No, ¿por qué? She says, don't buy them off of him. Why? You know what she said? China, guess what he said? My ex-wife. She said that motherfucker that sold those tamales loved. Gente loca, güey. Not just in Juárez, everywhere. Loved to put pieces of glass in the masa. Qué culero, huh? Pa' que te cortes todo el hocico. Or swallow it and fucking rip your insides. I don't know what the fuck. Well, that's fucked up.
And that's good to know the number. In this case where that lady killed her husband and she made tamales with her husband.
That's a true story. I saw it in my criminal cases that I like to watch, where this lady was living with her husband, and he was an asshole. Complete asshole, until she got fed up. She fucking chopped them up in little pieces and make that meat into tamales, and she used to sell them around there, somewhere in Mexico. No lie. And she's not the only one. There's about 3 or 4 similar stories from Mexico, and when you watch those stories, they'll tell you from where exactly and stuff. What these people did was they were selling tamales. You know, they were selling. So they just started getting into, I'm gonna kill this person and I'm gonna kill another person and make more tamales. Fuck it. But yeah, it's true. There's a lot of crazy people. The only crazy shit that I ever heard of when I was young, I must have been 18 maybe. We have a main street, 2 main streets. One of them is called Mesa, and one of them is called Montana. Before when I was growing up, I had 15 and on till I was 26. I lived by Montana, okay? And I remember it was coming on the news. A crazy ass motherfucker. And I think he was in a wheelchair too. I don't remember his name. But we look it up, we can find it. This dude used to, I don't know, whatever the fuck he had with his wife. Killed her, chopped her up into little pieces. I don't know how, okay? No. No pee. No, Papa. Went all on Montana Street, which is a very long street. Throwing little parts of her body everywhere. Así, bien chingón. Over there by a man.
Max, Elliot, Max.
Toma. Chingate eso. Este vato, Montana and Reynolds, I believe it was. Somebody fucking found a fucking finger. You know, in so many miles, you know, little parts of her. It was in the end, they knew who she was and they got him. But apparently, he did this all by himself, being in a wheelchair. I don't know how disabled he was or whatever, but he was in a wheelchair. That's all I know. But that's one of the fucked up things that happened here in El Paso, and more. Did you guys ever hear about? Is that the beans? Damn, they're cooking fast, huh? I can smell it already.
Es que ya le eché el ajo y la cebolla.
Huele rico, güey.
She posted what I gave her. Don't touch it because it'll go away.
Oh, her friend posted what she gave her because she's pregnant. Look at
I didn't give her that dead flower. I don't know
Oh,
if
she
it's
didn't
dead.
give her the flower. She took the flower. But what's this over here?
It's a little pink cake que le agregan.
Pink cake?
Yeah.
Where at?
I bought it at Walmart.
Oh, okay.
Like the little $5
The
cakes.
the little flower looks nice. I gave it a nice touch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, her friend is pregnant. Shout out to Jackie. She calls her Jacqueline, my chica. She's pregnant. She's gonna have a little girl, and she last weekend, just past, we're supposed to have her gender reveal party. And güey, ¿qué le echaste? Ajo y cebolla. ¿Sabes a qué huele? Por el ajo y la cebolla.
Carne.
Perdón. Mr. Burpee, that likes the burps. It smells like when you're cooking menudo and the carne is almost done, but it smells strong like ajo, cebolla, real nice, and the carnita. I guess we better start making it that way. Let it swell up overnight, huh? You guys ever swell up your beans like that? That's how. That's an old trick. Like, what you call it? There's recetas de las abuelitas. You know how they cook different than we do nowadays? Yeah, just wash your beans real good. Check out the little rocks, whatever. Leave them overnight with water so they can. And then the next day when you boil them, they're done fast. It already smells like they're done, to be honest. I should really put them.
And before I'm up. 30 minutes ago?
38. It's okay. Anyway, China, can you believe that shit? This motherfucker would put grinded pieces of glass into his tamale mix. And I remember and I was like, no, yo tengo money. And she was like, no. I guess she didn't want to tell me. She was embarrassed. I think that was Friday. And she said, mañana yo tengo tamales, mija. Mañana yo tengo tamales. And I was like, oh, no querías tamales? And she was like, de él no. From him, not from him. So I said, oh, okay. So I said, better leave it alone. And I got like $20. And I said, Ma, tenga. I always have my money in here. I don't got money in there today. I think I gave her like 20 something para que mande traer la carne. You know, at least. And she said, hey, mija, yo pongo la masa y las hojas and shit. All right. And well, she sure enough made them for me. Really, really good. One time when I was pregnant, oh my God. Jules. Like, it's because Don't take it the wrong way, but I fell in love with this lady because she looked just like my mom. O sea, me enamoré de ella. La quise mucho, 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 mucho. Except this lady,
Te encariñaste.
me encariñé machín, me encariñé machín. Pues sentía que la amaba, por eso digo me enamoré. She had short hair like my mom, except the lady already had pure canitas, right? The only difference was that she had, Jesus, not blue and not green eyes. They looked like a turquoise, dudes. And everybody in the family thought my little Jesse was gonna get the colored eyes because this dude had not had another child, and this is the only child he has, and he's already, I'm pretty sure, 50. This dude ended up being a drug addict. I didn't know he was a drug addict. If I would have known, I wouldn't have never even. It was this truly stupid ass that supposedly was my friend, and she told me, "Hey, I got this dude for you," and I was like, "A dude for me? Dude, hello, I'm married, hello." And she shut up. And then another day she would tell me again, "Dude, that dude keeps asking for you," and I'm like, "What are you talking about?" I told her, ¿por qué me estás diciendo si sabes que estoy con Miguel, you know? And, you know, shit like that. And it turns out that she wanted him to hook up with me. I didn't know she had a little, she had a big house, right? In Juarez. And she turned it into a anexo, which means like for drug addicts, for alcoholics, you know? She turned it into a place to help her because supposedly, I didn't even know she had been a drug addict, and they helped her, so she wanted to do the same and, you know, and help some people in the community that were sick like that, right? Or this dude lived there, in and out, and he'd get sober and then he'd go back in again. But I didn't know, and this bitch never told me that he was that. You know what I mean? I mean, he was not even that attractive, to be honest. The thing that I guess captivated me was because of the way he treated me and the way he treated my girls. Like, because I told you my husband was very quiet. What's that? Another thing?
It's mine.
What is it? Let me show it to them.
Just this way. Don't show that.
Okay.
That's your address, eh?
Órale. Okay. No, mine.
Eyeliner. It's mine. I just said it was mine.
Oh. It's because I bought Julia said it was 17 things that he bought. $40 purse. Is that you? Oh, yes.
I got this from the TikTok shop.
TikTok shop?
It's an eyeliner.
The eyeliner from the TikTok shop that she bought. What color is it? Black? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm saying because you know how remember when I ordered all these, my little colored.
Yeah, but you know me.
Colored pencils.
Long lasting liquid eyeliner.
Long lasting.
It's supposed to like be transfer proof and.
It's what?
Supposed to be like transfer proof and all that.
What?
Transfer proof.
Transfer proof.
Waterproof.
Waterproof.
Transfer proof.
Transfer proof. You can't transfer it on? What the fuck? What do you mean?
O sea, no se mueve.
Oh, no se mueve para. Es just
just
stay still.
eyeliner.
It's just eyeliner, goddammit. You can go like this and it was smudge proof, is what you mean to say. I never heard of that word, transfer proof. And I don't want this burrito. I'm full already.
Girl, I don't want
You want it?
I don't even want one.
Oh, let's just put it over here. I don't want hers. What's qué rollo? Guys, did I tell you that I bought some of this Atlantan? I got the wrong one. Sunblock. Oh, pinche verga. Do you by any chance come in?
No.
Embuto. I remember when. Imagine if I go like that on my face.
Open it.
Let's open up her transfer proof, which more like smudge proof, I'm gonna call it. I
You did it the wrong way.
Did I?
You kept blocking it. You're supposed to open it to the
No puedo, güey.
that way.
Okay, so it's open now. Now she can't open it. She opened it one time right now and it went psst. I can't see it. Should I have the... I can smell it, baby. I love the smell of sunblock, sunscreen, suntan. Oh, doesn't it smell delicious? Like freaking coconut, so yummy. She can't open it, just get frustrated. Dude, I got food with all that water. That's what
I
happened.
see the little hole.
I see a ho ho. I see a ho ho.
I see that tomamos.
Sorry, guys, we're just. Puto.
We'll return it.
The smell, though. Oh. You look like a smell. You look like a monkey. Well, she can open her smudge proof. Oh, smudge proof. Let's see. Hey, that's good grip. Julia, look. Imagine I could put a hook in there and hang myself by my eyelashes. No, just kidding.
But it's like the ones that you don't like, the marker.
Oh, the marker.
I love marker.
Yeah.
Let's just buy it.
Permíteme.
Something special.
How much was it?
Like less than 10, I think.
10? Girl. I just grew out of water, didn't I? One's hungrier than the other. I'm gonna have to order it.
Order it. You like it?
I just fell in love with it.
Why?
I don't know, because it's just macchiato. Look, it's just ground water right there. If you don't like it, me lo vendes. Así siempre andamos. If you don't like it, just give me that $10 and you keep it. Why would they put Hello Kitty with Snoopy? Snoopy's from my era.
Because I think they're supposed to be like old edition stuff.
Yeah?
Like you.
Look at it.
Te van a hinchar los labios. Yeah.
Guys, don't do that. Don't try this at home. She loca. Ay, esta me los mocos me sacó, creo. Bueno, guys, ya los dejamos porque acá de comer. Yo no me quiero comer esas pinches fries. Ya que se los comen los perros si quieren. Se los daré a los perros.
You lied.
You look like a monkey.
Qué mentira.
It did so much on their swatch.
Well, probably because my hands are sweaty.
It don't matter if it says it's smudge proof, but smudge proof. You know what I mean? No matter if you're sweating or wet or whatever. What a motherfucking liar, huh? Don't they get us all with that? He didn't like it after all.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh, I need eyeliner.
She looks like she wants to give it to me. She look like a monkey. And she smells like one too. Guys, we better go because we're not no more water. No more water. I didn't like those chips. They're too cheddary, girl.
No, they weren't for you.
They weren't for me anyway.
That's why you hear twisties.
She bought me these. The twisty ones. What do you say?
Honey barbecue noodles?
Honey barbecue. I hadn't had those in the... It's because I told her that I was craving Fritos, but
scoops.
Scoops. The big scoops. I love those. The other day I saw them and quería, but I didn't get them. I had the money, but I was just like, man. Guys, when it's somebody's birthday, tell them that it's happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey and you smell like one too, okay? What a monkey smell like, I don't know. But so what I've heard is that a lot of people don't like monkeys because they're very nasty. They like to grab their poo-poo and throw it at you or whatever. Do nasty shit like that. They don't know. They don't know any better, you know? Ever since I was little, I always wanted a monkey. Did you know that?
Me da miedo.
Julia, you can have these if you want them.
What is it?
They hurt me too much.
Really? They're too big for me.
They're too big for you. They're beautiful, but
Return them.
return them.
Get your money back. You have the receipt.
I had all the receipts here. They're not even there no more.
Did you pay it with cash or with card?
With my card.
With your card? I might have it.
Yeah. Entonces, voila, boy. Homeboy. It's just some smaller ones, you know, but not as small as the ones that I have. Medium, in between. I think they were 48. Bueno, guys, nos vamos porque ya son más de 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Mira, necesito uno de esos, girls, pero brown aquí, ¿verdad? Para hacerme mi pinche eyebrows. I have not gone in months to get my eyebrows threaded, nor there.
No.
Once I'll get a little bit of mustache here. As my ex-boyfriend said for 2 days, peachy skin. And I said, no, la mía es pinchy skin. Bueno, guys, nos guachamos. Pórtense bien, China. Pues fíjate qué culero ese vato, ¿verdad? Que andaba vendiendo tamales con vidrios. That's fucked up. That is so fucked up. But my suegra made me some the next day. Yo. Guys, when she passed away, I was so freaking out of it. I lost it. It's like if I lost my mom all over again. I was screaming like a stupid ass in there. And after I got embarrassed because I was like, they're like, what? Who's that, you know? Pues es la roca del Chuy. La roca del Chuy. But the time that I knew her, I loved her very much. And I would call him, my father-in-law, Dad. You know, in fact, my little boy's name is his daddy's name and his grandpa's name. His name is, the daddy's name is Jesus, but I named him Jesse. And even he told me, ponle Jesse. Jesse, and then my grandpa's, the grandpa's name is Crispin. So his name is Jesse Crispin, and then he's got their last name. Well, if I would have known what an idiot he was going to turn out to be, my husband even told me, what the fuck? I just felt like
You're probably sweating good.
it's probably sweat. Yeah, it's because I sweat a lot, guys. Could make you sweat. But the gentleman. Ya, no estén bailando, cálmela. No guachamos, pórtense bien, bye bye.